When you hear the word diabetes, what comes to mind? Maybe it's fear, confusion, or just questions. Like, what type do I have? And what does that mean for me? Type 1 diabetes means your body can't make insulin, the hormone that helps sugar get into your cells. Type 2? Your body still makes insulin, and in fact an abundance of it. However, that same insulin is not working the way it should. And here's something many people don't realize. You can have both problems, an abundance of insulin, and, at the same time, resistance to it. That's why some people with type 2 diabetes still need insulin therapy to overcome resistance. It's not failure. It's biology. Insulin is like a key. It unlocks your cells so the sugar from your food can be used as energy, to move, to think, to heal. It fuels your muscles. It stores energy and fat. It helps your liver build up sugar reserves, like a savings account for glucose. Your liver is your body's glucose regulator. Your glucostat. It releases or stores sugar depending on what you need, whether you're running a marathon or just resting after dinner. But in diabetes, that liver system gets confused. The liver keeps releasing sugar, even when you haven't eaten. That's why your blood sugar can rise, even when you're doing everything right. Some organs depend on glucose for seamless functioning, like your brain, your kidneys, your reproductive system. Others, like your red blood cells and the lens of your eye, rely on it almost entirely. But when there is too much sugar in those organ tissues, that's when symptoms show up. Fatigue, brain fog, numbness, blurry vision. It's not just numbers on a chart, it's your life. So what now? Talk to your healthcare team. Ask, do I need insulin? What's really happening in my body? What's the right path forward for me? Understanding your type of diabetes isn't about labels. It's about clarity. It's about reclaiming your power. It's about giving your body the care it deserves by enabling for its proper nourishment, because you're not just managing a condition. You're learning to live fully, wisely, and with compassion for yourself.